Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lesson 17, Display Targeting Options. In this lesson, we will explore the various targeting options available on the Google Display Network, GDN, to help you reach your desired audience more effectively and improve the performance of your display ad campaigns. 1. Contextual targeting. Contextual targeting matches your ads to websites and web pages. Based on the content of those pages. Keywords, target specific keywords related to your products or services to show your ads on relevant websites. Topics, target specific topics or themes to reach users interested in those topics. 2. Placement targeting. Placement targeting allows you to choose specific websites, apps, or placements where you want your ads to appear. Choose individual placements based on their relevance to your audience and campaign goals. 3. Audience targeting. Audience targeting allows you to reach specific groups of users based on their demographics, interests, or behaviors. Demographic targeting, target users based on criteria such as age, gender, income, and parental status. Interest targeting, target users based on their interests and habits, such as hobbies, shopping behavior, and online activities. Remarketing, target users who have previously visited your website or interacted with your brand, encouraging them to return and complete a desired action. Similar audiences, target users who are similar to your existing customers or remarketing audience, expanding your reach to new potential customers. 4. Demographic targeting. Target users based on specific demographic criteria, such as age, gender, income, education, and marital status. Tailor your ads to different demographic groups to improve relevance and engagement. 5. Geographic targeting. Target users based on their location, such as country, region, city, or zip code. Adjust your ads and offers based on the location of your target audience to improve relevance. 6. Device targeting. Target users based on the device they are using, such as desktop, mobile, or tablet. Optimize your ads for different devices to ensure they display correctly and provide a good user experience. 7. How to use targeting options. In Google Ads, navigate to your campaign settings and select the targeting options that align with your campaign goals and target audience. Experiment with different targeting options to see which ones perform best for your ads and audience. 8. Monitoring and optimization. Regularly monitor the performance of your display ad campaigns based on your chosen targeting options. Adjust your targeting settings as needed to optimize your campaigns for better results. By using the various targeting options available on the Google Display Network, you can reach your desired audience more effectively, improve ad relevance, and drive better results for your business.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.